Oh, there we go. Yo, what up, guys? We're here again. We're gonna drop another beat, bro. Alright, yeah, for sure. We're gonna pump it up. Pump it up. 170. Yeah. Alright, we're just gonna keep that for now so I can just figure out I'm making like my own jam track. You know? Wait. I gotta catch up. Britney Spears type beat. Yo, watch that shit's gonna go viral. Dude, did you just like combine like 3 different songs into one? Hold on. Hold up. Our headbanger. Yeah. Dude, my solution to everything. Just make it louder. Aye. I don't want to wait. Alright, hold up. Is this raw or nah? Go. Like if your life depended on it, is it raw or nah? Are we gonna go? It's gonna be lit. Is it gonna be lit? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I liked it better than the last two. Alright. I know, right? Alright, hold up. We need some coffee. We shall channel the Dark Lord from the abyss. Here. This is Cuban coffee. Yeah, pretty much. That shit's always full of ants.